Look, look, look. They treated me to a nice ice cream when I first got there. So enjoy this video, y'all. This is part 2. Sitting outside at the picnic table, just chilling. Out here at the KOA. Just chilling. Hey y'all, I just wanted to sit here and show y'all what it looking like with me living in my RV the next few months at this KOA. I went grocery shopping today. This is my other, I bought this pan because it's collapsible and I can store it either in the sink or something, and I can actually stand my plates and stuff up, because that other one, it was too small to stand anything up. It didn't have the little things like this that stand up. But this is my dishwater, you see. When I bought, baby, I was wondering what I was gonna do with this, but I decided to stick it over here. And as you can see, the little black tension rod, I hope you can see it, I don't know, but that's how I held this down. I didn't have anything on it other than my little Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse head pot holder deals. But I just came back from the store, so you see I put my, well, some of the seasons I had, I bought a new one, and then all the other stuff I bought, my little canned goods. This is a opportunity for those of you that have a small RV on figuring out what to do with things. So if you set up at the campground, baby, here you go. And then I just keep my little lighter right there. I usually have it in this top drawer, but I decided to put it over there. But, and now I'm going to show y'all what what this fridge is looking like, baby. I done got it stuffed. Now, I had to remember, oh, Lord. I done went to the store, and I'm hoping I got enough room. Look. But, yeah, I'm going to break this chicken down into freezer bags. Hold on. Okay, I turned on one more light so y'all can maybe see a little better. But I'm gonna store the chicken in some freezer bags, and my ham hock. I'm gonna make me some beans tomorrow, and then some of the stuff I brought with me, but a lot of stuff I bought tonight. And then here's my little freezer, so I'm gonna have to start using my ice. I just put stuff that came out of my dishes that's gonna go in the trash, put it in there freezer so it don't smell in here. That's what I do at home. I stick them in the freezer and double some bags up and put it in the freezer, and when it's full or whatever, I throw it away. But this is what it's looking like right now with me living in here. Home away from home, y'all, for real. But this is what it's looking like. I put that towel there over my dog. My fur child is playing with his toys and chewing on that stuff. Honey, he be slobbing now. I don't be wanting my blanket all wet up, but that's his little car seat that I keep on the jump seat. Is seat belted in. As you can see, let me get off up there at the top. My bed, you know, my covers are pulled back. I don't make that thing, baby, I do not pull them covers and straighten it up. No, because it's a workout as it is to do the covers. I wish I had something else to do with all my wiring for my TV. I got some of them ran through the arm of the mount, but like my Roku and my speaker wire, I don't have that run through there. So that's why you see those hanging. I need ideas, y'all, for this window over here for these blinds so people can't be looking in. I was outside tonight, and when I came back, I looked to see if you could see in. I had the blinds where they go up the other way. You could see in. Y'all look, I put my grab bar on. Yes, before I left. Put my grab bar on, baby. But you see I got my shoes lined up right there. I put my baby gate up there so he won't be trying to run up to the front. And then, like, when I leave, I put it back here in the kitchen area because I leave him back there so he don't just be moving around and trying to pee and mark on nothing because he ain't fixed. But yeah, this is what it looks like in a living in RV. I'm keeping it real with you. Let me see. I can zoom. You see how my junk up there? Shh, baby, yes. His dog food bag. I brought a whole bag because they don't have the type of store. It's a Texas store, HEB. So I brought a whole bag with me, even though he a tiny dog, instead of just multiple little Ziploc bags full. And yep, and then this is my table. So let me show y'all where I put it when I'm not eating, now that I'm finished eating. Now, see, I just push it over there, set it over there, out the way. So that way I have walkway to get in and out. I got walkway to get on my couch bed, walkway to get up to my bunk. I don't have the fan there, I just put it there because I had the air off earlier and I had it there just to blow some air. But yeah, this is it. This is what it looked like living in the RV. Because people be trying to show y'all all that pretty stuff. Yeah, you know, people be trying to show all that pretty stuff. I'm showing y'all the real deal. This is what it looked like. I'm up here at, I'm going to say it again in case you missed it on the other video. I'm at the Hayward KOA in Hayward, Wisconsin. I've never been to Wisconsin. Baby, this is all right. I love how the trees look. They so different. They skinny and super tall. They are really cute. It's like I'm like a big kid. Everything is amazing me right now. We have squirrels at home. I don't know what y'all have, but I seen little bitty chipmunks running around. I was like, is that a chipmunk? A real live chipmunk? I'd never seen a chipmunk in life, y'all. It was cool to me. And of course, you see behind me, I got all my different jackets and sweaters hanging up because I didn't know what kind of season I was coming to. Because the temperatures always be different places that you go. You know, they 60s might feel totally different than my 60s in Texas. So, yeah. But hey, I'm loving it so far. So if you think about work camping, think about Hayward KOA. It's a big campground. Well, it's big to me because I hadn't been to no super big campgrounds, and this is big to me. So yeah, that's it. I guess I'll quit rattling on and get off here. But yeah, I'm gonna be the driver for river tubing. People go tubing in the river. So, and some days we do kayaks and canoes. So that's what I get to do. Drive the van of people to go do that and drop them off and pick them back up, baby. Pick them back up, you know. Oh man, I should have connected my microphone. I hope y'all can hear me over this air conditioner. Oh hell, bloop. That's like a blooper. I'm trying to show y'all the air conditioner, showing you my head. Hold on. All right, there's the air conditioner. That little thing, it don't sound loud outside, but it be sounding loud in here. But it sure feel good to me. All right, till next time. I'm taking y'all on this journey. It's gonna be a while before y'all see it because you know I don't post while I'm out and about. But y'all, I think y'all gonna enjoy it when you see me. Be blessed. Dream big. Oh, well, I guess I should turn it around to me, huh? It would make better sense. Y'all be blessed. Dream big. And if you believe in a higher power, believe, have faith, and always be prayerful. And be mindful. Be mindful of the things around you and the things that we say. So, y'all, thanks for rocking with your girl. Y'all be easy. Stay safe. Good morning. Good morning. It is Wednesday, June 15th, 2022. I'm finna make me a bagel, mini bagel at that. In my toaster oven. Then after I cook this one, I'll probably make me one more. And then over here, I have my Great Northern beans and ham hocks on slow cook. So it'll be ready when I get off. And then this is what real living looking like. This is what real living looking like right now. I put my dish rack in there so I can plug this up over here. Because the plugs are so short, I could have plugged it up over here, I guess, and stuck it on the stove. But it didn't seem like it fit next to my toaster oven. But there you have it. Real life stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments in the comments section. Thank you. Until next time.